Crash course on Belgium, an overview: geolocation, natural landscapes, outdoor adventures. Belgium, a small yet captivating country, is nestled in the heart of Western Europe. Despite its modest size, it boasts a diverse range of natural landscapes, national parks, and outdoor activities that are sure to enchant every traveler. Let's embark on a journey to explore the unique geographical features and outdoor adventures that Belgium has to offer, followed by a collection of its top 12 attractions. Geo Location Uniqueness. Belgium is bordered by France to the south, the Netherlands to the north, Germany to the east, and Luxembourg to the southeast. Its central location in Europe makes it a cultural crossroad and a melting pot of different influences. Stunning natural landscapes. Belgium is blessed with picturesque countryside, rolling hills, dense forests, and serene lakes. The Ardennes, a green and hilly region in the south, offers beautiful landscapes for hiking and outdoor activities. National parks and outdoor activities. The country boasts several national parks, including Hoog National Park, known for its heathlands and sand dunes, and the Belgian part of the High Fens Eifel Nature Park, a vast moorland with unique flora and fauna. Outdoor enthusiasts can indulge in cycling along scenic routes, kayaking on tranquil rivers, and exploring historic towns on foot. Interesting story: the Atheneum. One of Belgium's most iconic attractions is the Atheneum, a futuristic building constructed for the 1958 Brussels World's Fair. Resembling an iron crystal magnified 165 billion times, the Atheneum symbolizes scientific progress and the peaceful use of nuclear energy. It has become a symbol of Brussels and attracts millions of visitors each year. Top 12 attractions of Belgium. 1. Brussels, the capital city known for its stunning architecture and grand place. 2. Bruges, a fairy tale city with picturesque canals and medieval charm. 3. Ghent, a vibrant city with a rich history and impressive medieval architecture. 4. Antwerp, a fashion and diamond capital with a lively cultural scene. 5. The Ardennes, a picturesque region with lush forests and outdoor activities. 6. Hoog National Park, a nature lover's paradise with diverse landscapes. 7. High Fens Eifel Nature Park, a vast moorland with unique flora and fauna. 8. Atheneum, an iconic building in Brussels with futuristic design. 9. Waterloo, the historic site of the Battle of Waterloo. 10. Belgian chocolate shops, indulge in the country's renowned chocolate delicacies. 11. Belgian beer, experience the rich beer culture and visit breweries. 12. Dinan, a charming town on the Meuse River, known for its scenic views. Summarize. Belgium, with its central location in Europe, offers a diverse array of natural beauty, from picturesque landscapes to historic cities. Travelers can explore stunning national parks, experience outdoor adventures, and immerse themselves in the country's unique culture and history. Whether wandering through medieval streets or indulging in world-famous chocolates and beers, Belgium promises an unforgettable journey. Ending note. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.